How to customize best clock style on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you customize your best clock style on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on wallpaper. Now from here, simply tap in your lock screen and tap on customize. Now from here, at the top, you can get a clock style. Simply tap on that. Now from here, you can choose your font, color or any kind of style you want to add on that. Simply you can choose anyone. As you can increase the width also. After you're done from here, simply back from here. As you can customize your background color from here. Like you can customize your background color also. After that, simply back from here and tap on down at the top right. After that, you'll be able to set a best clock style on your iPhone lock screen. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.